Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to bend a rectangle in Photoshop for many way. I apply this step 1. First of all, create a new layer, then select a rectangle, click and draw it, then right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer. Then go to edit tab and see this popped up. Click here and click many points as you use. I use 4 1. Okay, then click and move. Okay, and another way to press Ctrl T. Another way to press Ctrl T. Click the icon and select Customs drop down menu. Now see this ARC upper, increase the size, lower. Okay. Step 3, press Ctrl T, right click on your mouse. Now see this warp tool or click this warp tool as you wish. I use this. Then click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.